Remix OS is one of the best implementation of Android mobile operating system for a desktop environment. It is developed by Zite Technologies. So basically this is the Android mobile operating system which has been redesigned for a desktop environment where you can see the windows can be organized as the regular Microsoft Windows operating system. Today let's look at how to download and install the Remix OS on our laptop. Remix OS is available in two forms. Basically the Remix OS itself, which can be installed as a regular operating system in the laptop, or the Remix OS player, which provides an emulator as in like VMware or VirtualBox to run the OS without actually installing it in the laptop. Let's download the Remix OS player. As you can see, none of the download links will be working here since Zite Technologies has deprecated the development of Remix OS for consumer versions. In order to download Remix OS player, search Google for the same. Search for the SourceForge.net link. Scroll down. You can see the various versions. This is the latest version. Click on this and download will start immediately. I have already downloaded the OS player and I have copied it onto my desktop, as you can see here, and this is the latest version. Let's wait until the program finishes installation. Let's look what the advanced settings are. And for the specifications, I'm having a HP Spectre x360 laptop with Intel i7 and 16 GB RAM. So I'm going to keep it as default. Let's start the player. And by the way, you have to enable virtualization technology in BIOS setup. As you can see, it feels a bit laggy. I think this is due to the screen recording software running in the background. And as usual, emulators are often very laggy. So I don't want to install any apps. Or maybe I do some just to check how they work. So basically this is the Remix OS initial screen. As usual, we have a taskbar at the bottom and couple of icons, and this is analogous to the start button in Windows OS. It said we need to activate the Google Play Store, so let's go ahead and do that. The mouse movements are not accurate. I think this is because of running it in an emulator. So we have a back, home button and a multitasking button. The shortcut for Facebook, and I am guessing this is the shortcut for downloads. Yes, it is. And here we have system tray. It shows the memory used, the volume, keyboard settings, time and the calendar, and a notification center. Just like on the mobile screen, how we scroll down the notification bar and go to settings, I think this is the same way. I think this is to take, okay, these are on-screen virtual buttons. Okay, these are your minimize and maximize buttons. So let's go into multitasking view. We have settings opened. This is the maximize button. So Remix OS is based on Android 6, which is Marshmallow, and that is the latest version, and there are no updates for consumer level as of now, as I already mentioned that it has been deprecated by Giant Technologies. Let's open Play Store. Okay, I guess we need to set up with the Google account. Okay, we have MX Player as the default video player. Here is the movie.
Remember the first time you turned on a computer? The realization that a whole new world of possibilities could be unlocked in a digital reality. Exploring new horizons.